The new Christchurch Northern Corridor will improve travel times to and from the north of the city. We'll reduce congestion and reduce emissions by introducing carpool lanes. Only cars with a driver and one or more passengers can use these lanes, including buses. There are 2 carpool lanes. The first starts at the intersection of Main North Road and Tram Road. This left-hand lane operates 24 hours a day, 7 days each week. If you're in a truck or carpooling and heading to Christchurch, you can pass the waiting cars at the new traffic lights and join State Highway 1 heading south. This lane ends midway over the Waimakariri Bridge to allow for traffic changing lanes and exiting at the Cheney's off-ramp. Continuing south on the Christchurch Northern Corridor motorway from just before the Main North Road Bridge, the right-hand lane is a carpool lane for buses and vehicles carrying passengers only from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. on weekday mornings. For safety reasons, freight vehicles cannot use this lane between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. Outside of peak morning hours, any vehicle may use this lane. The carpool lane ends just before the Cranford Street roundabout. The lane may be extended further towards the city in the future. We're building safer roads to connect people in northern Christchurch. For more information and other videos, visit our website.